Hey, third grade, this is Miss Liberty with your reading instructions for today's activity for October 7th. So when you log into Seesaw, you are going to see 10-7 reading comprehension practice. So the first link here is going to be today's lesson, and then the second link is going to be these instructions. You're going to click Add, read the text, use the highlighter tool to select the answers for each question, and then use the highlighter tool again to show where you found your answer in the text. Use a different color highlighter for each question, check over your work, and then click the green check to submit. So when you click on Add, you're going to notice that you will see all of the reading lessons that were used during our lesson today. The only ones that you are going to worry about, the only slides that you are going to work on are slides 1 and 2. So on slide 1, you're going to first read this passage. So you're going to read these 2 paragraphs, and don't forget about your caption down here. You're going to read that as well. Then you're going to come over here and read the first question. After reading the first question, you're going to go back into the passage and highlight to find your answer. So, for example, it says, when do the cowhands head out on the range to round up and care for the cattle? Is it before breakfast, after dinner, after breakfast, or during lunch? So then you're going to look back at your passage, and it says, after breakfast, the cowhands head out on the range to round up and care for the cattle. So we see here that it says after breakfast. So you're going to go ahead and highlight after breakfast. Okay, now I've already used yellow, so I'm just going to move down and use, let's not use orange because we have orange writing, so then I might decide to use pink. And then I'm going to read this question, and then I'm going to highlight where I find that answer in pink in the paragraph. And then choose another color for the third question. I'm going to read the question and then highlight where I found the answer in the passage. Then you're going to repeat those same steps for these 4 questions using the book that we have on the left. Okay, so for your activity, you do not need to do anything with slides 3 through 8. You are just focused on slides 1 and 2 once all questions have been answered. All questions are highlighted with the answers in the text, and you have checked over your work. You may go ahead and turn your work in. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions.